The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
American, Haitian, any nation from the world who living in America and across the border from the world. This is a bad situation for all of us who live in paycheck to paycheck. It's not a such coronavirus. I should not put my mouth in it because I am a citizen American. That is not a stuff I should do it. But it's gonna hurt all of us. I have to say it. It's not a such coronavirus. It is a corona politic. Donald Trump, you know you be here. You know you still gonna be here. Is nobody can come crossing you. But what you doing? He hurting poor people who live in paycheck to paycheck, who get mortgage, who get everything to pay it. That's not a coronavirus. It is a politic. Why the coronavirus was not here? Donald Trump, the Chinese president, is your buddy. You bring the coronavirus stuff just to make it Joe Biden and Bernie Sanders don't have people to go vote for them. Your son coming out with the words, say they don't want his father to do this. That's why they bring in coronavirus. No, it's a makeup. You the one and your son and the president and the China and the rest of your people in United States bringing the coronavirus. Why they don't show us how many people die in China, where they put them, where they go bury them? Them people who die with coronavirus in America, why they don't show us that? Donald Trump, you killing us! You killing us! The coronavirus is you! You the one killing us! It's not coronavirus! Stop it! You killing poor people. You already get money. The wealthy people already get money. So what you doing is not good for poor people. It's not good for any nation who live in paycheck to paycheck. Please let the business going on, because you crashing everything. You wanna be in your chair. You still gonna be in your fucking chair, but you can't killing us. It's not coronavirus where coronavirus was. It should be out already. Why when the election is closed? That's the time coronavirus come on down the truck. You killing us. You killing everybody in America. You killing the business people. You killing the car dealer. You killing the store. It don't make sense what you doing.
Viewers and subscribers, seriousskilla here. Big up and respect to each and every one, you know. And I have another video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? Now, I just presented to you a video that shows of a person, you know, talking about this whole situation that's going on because of the COVID-19. You see me? According to how this person is talking, it seems as if, you know, this person is trying to get the word out there that there is somewhat of a financial difficulty for persons out there. You see me I say? And this person went on to say some things about the President of the United States, who is Donald Trump, and other things as well. And I'm bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because this video is out on social media, and some persons on social media, you know, they are saying that what this person has said, you know, they are saying that this person is right. Basically, it's like they agree with what this person is saying. And there are persons out there on social media that totally do not agree with what this person had said. You understand me? So viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Do you agree, or is it that you don't agree with what this person had said? Here's what I'm saying to you. Now, I understand that this thing is causing, you know, things to happen throughout the world where, you know, it's causing a financial strain on many persons out there worldwide. You see me? And viewers and subscribers, you know, I basically understand that we are all in this together, and you know, this takes a united front. That means we all have to work together to stop the spread of this COVID-19. You see me? Alright, so for each and everyone out there, I want to say that, get the right information, is what I'm saying to you. Do not listen to hearsay on the street. And do the necessary steps or measures or things that have been announced by the World Health Organization or health ministries within your country in order to stop the spread of this virus, which is the COVID-19, or you can say the coronavirus. Alright, so with that now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave the next video with you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, and this video is going to show of a person, and this person is basically, sending a message out there. Now, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of a person that had caught the coronavirus, or you can say COVID-19, you see me? And this video shows of the person trying to explain some things about how it feels like, being infected with the COVID-19 and so on, is what I'm saying to you. And, basically, this video seems as if this person is trying to get the word out there to persons out there to be careful and other things as well, is what I'm saying to you. Now, this person said some things that really and truly caught my attention, and if these things that this person had said turns out to be true, then I'm saying to myself, like, things really and truly seems to be bad, is what I'm saying to you, and I'm wondering what's going on, you see me? And that's if these things that this person had said turns out to be true. You understand? Now, I'm not going to say it. I'm going to let you hear it for yourself. That's what I'm saying to you. And I'm going to leave the video with you right about now, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, and let me know what you think about these videos. Alright? And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
A couple nights ago, I woke up out my sleep with a high fever. It was like some shit I never felt before. Threw up everywhere. Fucking passed out. Paramedics came and got me. Took me to the emergency room. They said that I had the bug. I had influenza. Gave me a prescription. They said I was good. And they let me walk about the hospital all day today. My respiratory system has not been working. I haven't been able to breathe, yo. She just told me that my respiratory system is infected, severely infected. 95% I have corona, 5% I don't. So I really, like, I'm so blown. They got me locked in the room, and they talking about it's a dub, basically. Like, it ain't nothing they could do, you feel me? And that the test is so it's so limited. So they just want me to self-quarantine and shit like that, but my shit is already shutting down on me, my respiratory system. And they want me to go home with my fucking family, dog, and put my fucking family in jeopardy of this shit instead of fucking helping the nigga. You feel me? But everybody that has been around me though on some G shit, please, y'all go get tested, whatever the fuck y'all can do, bro, cause this shit is serious as fuck. This shit is serious, and the feeling that I ain't got from this shit, my body hurts, son. Shit wild as fuck. They don't want to help a nigga, you feel me? Shit. But if I'm gonna go out, nigga, I'm gonna go out like a G, you dig? I've had symptoms of this shit for days, and now this shit have attacked my respiratory system. I always been healthy. I never had asthma. I never had shit, and this shit the worst. This shit, they just telling you to wait to die, nigga. Basically, if you ain't got a strong immune system for this shit, you a dub. You You a dub, and they don't give a fuck. They sending me back to the house, nigga. Like my shit ain't even that mild no more, nigga. They sending me back home to my family like this. My body is on fire. My body is on fucking fire, yo. But if any of my friends seeing this, and I'm trying to think of everybody that I done been around, I just ain't got no words, yo. I ain't got no words. Please, I advise everybody. Everybody, we been partying. We been turning up in the city like it ain't shit. Stay y'all asses in the motherfucking house. The shit is real. I would sleep on it. I'm not gonna cap to you. I would sleep. Stay y'all asses in the motherfucking house. Everybody out here in Gainesville, bitch, turned up like it ain't nothing. I got the shit. They just told me I got it. Ain't no ends and buts. It's my second time in the motherfucking hospital. The other night when I was throwing this shitting up on myself, bitch had passed out, had a fever. Them let me leave the hospital with this shit. Let me leave the hospital, bro. My mama is old, bro. They sent me home to my mama with this shit, bro. They don't give a fuck. It's every man for themselves with this shit. The doctors they so fucking scared, bro. They can't even help me. They so scared to even contract the shit to take that shit to their family, bro. This shit is serious. Stay y'all fucking ass home, bro. Stay y'all ass home, bro. Stay y'all ass home, dog.
Hey, man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.